For better or worse, till death do us part. I love you every beat of my heart. I swear. I'll give you everything I can. I'll build your dreams with these two hands. You'll lay some memories on your walls and play. Just the two of us are there. You won't have to ask if I still care. 'Cause as the time turns the page, my love won't age at all. I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies, I'll be there. And I swear like a shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, till death do us part. I love you every beat of my heart. I swear. Oh, I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies, I'm needed. And I swear, like a shadow that's by your side, I'm needed. For better or worse, no matter. I swear. I swear.
87 years old.
Okay, dance na kayong dalawa.
Ganyan! Sit lang muna. Left and right and right. Left, Zumba pala. Left, right,
Okay, sorry. Ito na. Parang dapat move backward kayo, guys.
Kasi kita sila dyan.
Ah.
Kaya
Naki-
nga.
Ah!
Ayan namin, nagpapagsak na! Oh! Oh! Gusto nila reaction eh.
Lagi ko naaalala ang tindig at ang forma. At kapag siya ay nakita, kinikilig akong talaga. Di naman siya sobrang gwapo, ngunit siya ay type na type ko. Bakit ito ay nadarama ng puso ko?
Parang totoo!
Siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulap. Nang ako'y kanyang titigan, sa puso ko'y anong sarap. Tunay na kapag umibig, lagi ka mananakilig. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patid. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Bakit di panahin ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanyang telephone, huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Minsan siya'y nakausap, o ay parang nasa ulap. nang ako'y kanyang titigan. Sa puso ko'y anong sarap. Tunay na kapat kong bibig. Lagi kang nananaginip. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patig. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Bakit ibanain ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y dadadet ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Cupido, ako na may tulungan niyo. Bakit ipanain ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y dadadet ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko.
Isa pa.
Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko.
Ay!
Zumba!
Zumba!
Guys, ang gagaling ng mga ano natin, di ba?
Ay,
Backup
grabe.
dancer.
Favorite dancer!
From 5.9 to 8.9. And you're everything I need. Somebody say ho. Oh, 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 oh. It's something independent. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. This independent. Ooh, we shine. This independent. That's why I love her.
Ay! Ay, grabe naman yun!
Thank you so much, everybody!
16K! 16K!
Thank you so much, everybody. Wanna see I make it so easy to fall in love. Into us on the perfect mix-up. Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. So easy. Fall in love with me.
Love's all of me, love's all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose the win. And I give you all of me.
Nakaliti ako na sarado mo! Fingers.
Naging kambing. Ang cute naman ng bear. Eh kasi yung kamay mo.
Paano yun?
Zika.
You're my time for me. My first distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine.
You're crazy and I'm
Out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections.
Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. And when I lose and win, as I give you all of me. And you give me all of you.
Give me all of you.
Cards on the table were both showing hearts. Risking it all through its heart.
'Cause all of me
Love's all of you. Love your curves and all your edges. All your perfect imperfections. Give your all.
Budge. Hey, bro.
to me. I give all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. And I'll give you all of me. And you give me all of you.
Grabe naman ano yun, oh.
And I'll give you all of me.
And I give you all of you. You give me all of you. Ay,
Grabe!
kaya mo yun, Je?
Mm.
Ay!
Kaya ko. Ouch, ouch.
More song daw.
Kiss daw po, kiss.
Kiss daw, kiss.
Paper king before mag-end.
Ano na ang ganda?
Alam mo guys, hindi nyo nakikita, kinukurit ako.
Ah. Okay, kilitian na lang.
Happy na sila dyan.
Grabe na kayo.
Ano yan?
Super ayuda.
Super ayun yan.
Super ayuda with jeans.
Okay.
Ano, gising na kasi sa amin. Marami na lalo.
16K nga kainin.
6,000. Eh kasi nga, gising na sila, sabi namin.
Isa lang 16.
Hindi talaga tumitigil.
Tama na, ayoko na, Chris. Ayoko na. Tama na ha, ayoko na. Tama na, ayoko na, huwag nang kiliti, tama na. Tama na, please!
Siya pa yung Siya pa yung...
Tama na!
Wow!
Tama na!
Wow!
Tama na, ayoko na, tama na. Tama na. Pagod na, oh. Wala na, guys. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng sumama sa amin. Hello. Reach number 31. Ano yun?
Ay, thank you po sa mga nag-send ng love.
Thank you sa mga nag-send kay Jello, kay Noah. Thank you sa mga nag-send ng gift sa akin.
Ito po yung pawis na nilabas.
Si Mr. B, wala siyang gift. Ito na lang kanya, oh.
Ala!
Yan na lang. Okay na yan siya dyan, guys.
Happy na yan siya.
Bakit sa hat? Bakit sa hat? Oo nga, bakit sa hat?
Isa pa, di na lang nakita.
Isa pa.
Tumingin ka lang.
Sa hat na naman.
Bakit sa hat? Bakit nga sa hat? Di bawal sa hat, guys.
Oo nga.
Bawal sa hat. Bawal.
Oh, thank you.
Sa hat pa lang yan na.
Sa lips.
Kung balat na talaga yung tamaan. Chicks.
Chick near lips.
Sige na nga, thank you, Mr. B.
Yes! Sige na. Grabe! Grabe na kayuda yan, ha?
Wow!
Ay! Nakakamitin naman yan!
Oh.
Bitin!
Sarap.
Ay, na.
Ay.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Dito ka na.
Delete sila, B. Delete sila, B.
Naku, baka may magbagsak! Dala ng kilig.
I tried. She got me. Almost. Konti na lang, guys. Almost did it. I almost did it. Almost did it, bro.
Isa pa daw.
Ano nila na?
Ay, Diyos ko. Basta. Tara, sila.
Nakapagit pa siya!
Good night, everybody.
Thank you so much, everybody.
I hope y'all had a good night. Did you guys have a good night?
Auntie Mom, thank you so much.
Auntie Mom!
Oh my gosh!
Thank you, Auntie Mom.
Tina mo, sulit ang puyat. Paano ko sila?
I hope everybody had a good night. Mag-live ulit kami. Kailan?
Can run to myself.
Hindi pa siya tapos, guys.
Thank you so much, everybody. Maraming salamat po.
We love you.
I don't wanna hurt anymore. Good night, everybody. Auntie Mom, thank you so much.
Auntie Mom, grabe ka.
Auntie Mom, I hope to meet you po para mahag kita. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Thank you so much sa lahat. I love you, everybody. Good
We
night.
love you.
Ito na, hug na.
Salamat po! Grabe!
Good night, everybody.
Sandali lang, Handik. Huwag yung bibitaw. Hanggang sa muli! Hanggang sa muli!
Bye daw from Jello and Francis.
Bye-bye.
See you next time, guys!
We love you. Bye, guys. Signing out. It's me, Mr. B.